All right, we're back on halftime. Traders are answering your questions as always. First up, Russell from California asks, what will the tech sector look like after August? And would the new communications sector become more attractive? Joe, that goes to you.
I think the new communications sector will become more attractive. You're going to get Netflix in there. I think the tech sector will look like it looks now, and that's a sector that exhibits a tremendous amount of growth, and you're not seeing that growth in any other sectors, so I think it's positive on both fronts.
All right, Thomas from Philadelphia asks, Josh, what is going on with Albemarle? That was one of your big picks.
Yeah,
I'm
still in it. Hasn't done anything since March. It's at the same price. So, like a lot of industrials, it's kind of just been sitting there. I think there was some concern about pricing for the commodity itself. There always is. It's a commodity story. And at a certain point, you get flooded with supply. I think the disconnect is that battery-grade lithium is not the same as total lithium, and that's starting to get figured out. So I'm long the name. I think it's a far superior way to play the electrical vehicle future over any of the OEMs, Tesla included.
Maybe got a little ahead of itself. I mean, had that just tremendous.
Yeah, had a huge run.
In the cards.
Look, there was a big downgrade. I think it was Morgan Stanley who basically said, in Latin America, they're about to flood the market with supply. So far, it hasn't happened. And the other thing that you need to know, especially about command economies, they can announce any quota or production expectation they want. It doesn't mean the machinery actually makes those quotas or production targets a reality, and that's typically the case in places like that. So I think the fears are overblown, and I think that will bear out with pricing over the next couple of years.
All right, Doris from New Jersey writes, what's going on with GE? Love to see it go up, she says, Jim.
Sorry, Doris, I think you got a little ways to wait here. Look, the stock's stuck, and it has been for 6 months between 13 and 15. Could you get a tradable bounce from 13.90 to 14.75? You could, but I can't predict it. Here's the problem. This thing is still slated to earn $1 a share roughly in earnings this year, and there's considerable doubt about that. So until you get a little bit more clarity, maybe this quarter's earnings release gives you some clarity as to what this year's real earnings power is going to be, I'd stay away from it.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.